Hello, everyone. My name is Nora. Today, I will tell you about my evening routine. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is perfect for beginners and A2 learners. Are you ready? Let's start. I usually finish work at 5. Before I leave, I tidy my desk. Then, I take the bus home. The ride takes about 20 minutes. During the ride, I like to look out the window or listen to a podcast. It helps me relax after a long day. When I arrive home, I take off my shoes. I put down my bag. I feel happy to be at home. First, I wash my hands and change into comfortable clothes, like sweatpants and a t-shirt. Then, I go to the kitchen. I make dinner. I enjoy cooking. I chop fresh vegetables and listen to the radio. Sometimes I cook rice with vegetables. Sometimes I eat pasta or salad. I drink a glass of water or tea. After dinner, I wash the dishes and clean the kitchen. I like to keep things tidy. I also prepare my lunch for tomorrow and put it in the fridge. It saves me time in the morning. Then, I relax in the living room. I sit on the sofa. I listen to music or watch TV. Sometimes, I call my friend or my mother to talk about our day. Sometimes, I read a book. Around 9, I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth, I wash my face with warm water, and put on some face cream. I change into my pajamas. Finally, I go to my bedroom. I check my alarm clock for the next morning. I turn off the lights, I lie down in bed, I close my eyes and rest. That is my evening routine. What about you? What do you do in the evening? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons.